A lot of people ask us how to use fiber optic, and I want to say that there's quite a few ways to use fiber optic, but I'll just show you the way that we've come up with that we like to use. I take a 3mm LED. The top of the 3mm LED is kind of round like a bowling ball, and it's hard to glue to. So what we do is just take it and sand it very briefly until we have a nice flat LED. I don't know if you can see, but this LED is very flat across the top, so it's easy to stick things to it. So then I take our 3/32 shrink tube, and it turns out the 3/32 fits very snugly over the 3mm LED. This does two things. It blocks out all side light because it's opaque, and also it holds the fiber optic firmly onto the LED so it doesn't fall off. So I will take this shrink tube and slip it over my 3 pieces of fiber optic. You can fit quite a few pieces in here. I just did 3 pieces to show the different sizes. Then I'm going to want to glue the fiber optic to the LED. There's a lot of glues you can use. I used UV curing glue because it has a long setup time. I'm going to hold the 3 pieces of fiber optic right onto the LED. Make sure I have them on there firmly. And then you want to have someone hit it with a UV light to make sure you have a nice solid cure. Then I slip the shrink tube over the 3mm LED and over the fiber optic. Now you can heat the shrink tube, but you want to be careful not to heat for too long because you don't want to accidentally melt your fiber optic. So you have to be a little bit gentle with the heat. But I can show you now, when I turn on the LED, you can see a little bit of the light coming out the fiber optic, but you don't see any light around the LED. And here are my 3 different sizes. You can see they're nice and bright.